Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're talking about Motivational Day to start off 2025. That's right, we used to do it. Now I'm back. We're refreshed. We're restocked with vigor, with madness in his mind. That would be me. It's going down, ladies and gentlemen. We have a lot of things to handle in 2025. And therefore, I'm motivated because it's going to be some bing, bing, bing going down. And hopefully you're going to be here for the ride because it's going to get ugly. 5 years and a little depression, a little oppression, a little people thinking that they can just do you wrong. I'm sorry. It ain't working like that. They're coming back to the 2020s. We're coming back to the 1990s, to the 1980s. When I wasn't such a nice guy, but nevertheless, for you here at the SSN Nation, you always know my arms are open to you. I have nothing but love. But let's get into the motivational factors and welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Warning. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for being here. Please share the videos because you never know who's out here trying to find information, who needs a little help, who needs a little motivation, because you know your friends could be your enemies. Your enemies are never going to be your friends. And those nice guys with the smile on their faces with the suits and all the nice little contracts, hey, you can always bust those, and therefore you have a long road to hoe. But we're going to get into financials. We're going to get into your health because that's where it's going to start. Your body, your mind has to be clear. It has to be healthy. You got to get those nights of sleep so your body rejuvenates itself. You can't be stressed out. That's another factor. You have to eat properly with the proper chemicals inside of your body, which is clean food, ladies and gentlemen, because there's certain countries around the world, the USA, who puts bad chemicals and items within your products that you consume that the rest of the world says, hold up. We don't want to kill our citizens, but the United States has a healthcare industry that is booming. So therefore, the motivational effect, why are you always not feeling good? Maybe it's some of those foods you consume, the things that you drink, items that you put in your body that you think may be just okay. It's dragging you down. And therefore, it's causing other cause and effects. And so motivationally, you need to be on your P's and Q's now. You can't go around sitting there thinking that everything's going to work out. There are some people right now plotting your demise. And you don't know who they are. Oh yeah, this is a little conspiratorial, some would say. Others would say, oh, hold on, I know what he's talking about. I have had friends stab me in the back in 2024, in 2023, in 2020, in 2010. You just never know when it's going to happen. But sometimes you have to look at people's side eye. Wait a minute now. Hold up a second. Jealousy, envy, you just never know. But you guys are going, Eric, where's the motivational part? Well, what I'm trying to say is, you can bust out of anything. You just have to stay diligent. You just have to believe in yourself. You just have to say, you know what? It does not matter, me against the world, our team against the world. It does not matter. You're still going to have to perform. You're still going to have to pay the bills. You're still going to have to figure it out. You're not going to be able to just go in a black hole, are you? You're not going to be one of those, are you, that's just going to give up? Throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care, but except you're not at a party, you're at your funeral? Is that what you're going to allow yourself to do? Hell no. You're not part of the SSN Nation any longer? Come along for the ride. We'll lift you up. We'll bring you into the fold. We'll even show you how to do this. Motivational day, ladies and gentlemen, is always Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And right again on Monday. You can't give up any longer. We have a lot of people out here doing dirt. And keep in mind, you may not know who they are. And pay attention to your health, trying to create wealth. And it's going to be very, very hard over the next few years. But do not give up. If you're thinking about giving up, you can always send me an email, support@stopstrugglingnow.com. You can always join us on our WhatsApp group, SSN Nation and Lifestyle. You can always join me in the DR on our retreat, our real estate investors retreat, twice a year. Come along for the ride. We're here to help you. Live streams Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights. We're not hard to find. And we have a support group here that's part, and their name is SSN Nation. Chat rooms are open. Live streams are open to everyone. No exclusion. Everything is open. No exclusion. No gatekeepers here. So what I'm telling you is motivate yourself, or maybe we'll motivate you for you. But you're going to have to make more money this year than you've ever made in your lifetime. There's a clock ticking. Your age clock is ticking. Your financial clock is ticking. Life as you know it is ticking. And that's not going up in most circumstances when you have 70 to 80% of the population living paycheck to paycheck in the United States. So once again, I implore you, do not give up. There's always a way. And sometimes you need a little help. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. What you may not know after 5 or 5.5 years that I've been on YouTube, I am that guy that somebody has always tried to put down. And it ain't just somebody. It's governments. It's states and governments. So I know it can be worse. But the roads that a lot of people travel, you will never know. Some have to go through more doors. Some have to go through more glass ceilings. Some have to go through more reputational damage. Some don't have enough skills. But you know one thing? We're here for you. Don't give up, and improve yourself every day if you can. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.